Simplify each of the following algebraic expression. So here question number A, 3a minus 4 minus 3a divided by 5 minus a minus 4 by 6. Here, instead of this one, we can write 3a by 1. Right now, we need to know what is the LCM of 156. LCM of 156 will be 30. So here we need to multiply this 1 by 30, this 5 by 6 and this 6 by 5 to make same denominator. Okay. So this fractions numerator and denominator will be multiplied by 30. This numerator will be multiplied by and this numerator will be multiplied by 5. So all denominator will be 30 right now because LCM of 156 will be 30. Now 33 is 98 minus 6 4 is 24 minus a minus a plus 6 3 is 18a minus 5a minus 7 is a plus 5 4 is 20. Okay. Right now 90a plus 18a, that will be 108a minus 5a. Here minus 24 plus 20 divided by 30. 108 minus 5 will be 103a minus 24 plus 20 will be minus 4 divided by 30. And that is the solution of this problem. Now we need to solve question number B. Question number B says a plus b by 3 minus b plus c by 2 plus 4a minus c by 5. Here the LCM of 3 to 5, that will be 30. So we need to multiply this 3 by 10, this 2 by 15 to make 30 and this 5 by 6. So here we are multiplying this numerator by 6, here this numerator by 15 and here this numerator by 10 because we are multiplying the denominator by 10, 15, 6. Right now all denominator will be 30 right now. Okay. Now 10 into a, that is 10a plus 10 into b, 10b minus 15 into b minus 15b minus a plus a minus 15 into c, 15c plus 6 4 ja 24a minus 6c. Right now here 10a plus 24a, 10 plus 24, that will be 34a, 10b minus 15b minus 5b, minus 15 minus 6 will be minus 21c. And that is the solution of question number B. Now question number C. Question number C says 2 into 3a plus b. So 2 3s are 6a plus 2 into b, 2b divided by 5, 5 plus 4 2s are 8a minus 4b divided by 3. Now we need to multiply this 5 by 3 and this 3 by 5 to make the same denominator. Okay. So here 3 5s are 15. That is our denominator. Okay. Both denominator is 15. So 3 6 are 18a plus 3 2s are 6b plus 5 8 are 40a minus 5 4 are 20b. Now 18 plus 40, that will be 58a minus 20 plus 6, that will be minus 14b divided by 50. Now question number D. Question number D says 6x minus y divided by 5 plus 5x minus 4y divided by 10 minus 5 into x, that is 5x minus 5 2s are 10 divided by 6. So here all denominator will be here we need to find out the LCM of 5, 10, 6. LCM of 5, 10, 6 will be 30. So here we need to multiply this 5 by 6, this 10 by 3, and this 6 by 5 to make same denominator. So here multiplied by 3, here multiplied by 6. So all denominator will be 30 right now. Now 6 6 are 36x minus 6y plus 3 3 are 9x minus 3 4 are 12y minus 5 5 are 25x minus 7 is say plus 5 10 are 15. Now 36 plus 9, that will be 45. 45 minus 25, that will be 20x. Again 36 plus 9, 45 minus 25, that will be 20x. Minus 6 minus 12 minus 18. So here it will be minus 18y plus 50 divided by 30. Here actually we can take 2 as a common factor. So if we take 2 as a common factor, it will be 10x minus 9y plus 25 divided by 30. Then we need to cancel 30 by 2, that will be 15. Then it will be our final answer. Okay, 10x minus 9y plus 25 by 15.